Hello guys, if you want to integrate Lovable with GitHub, here's exactly how to export and import your code efficiently. So in Lovable, make sure to, of course, register for the account. Same goes for GitHub. Go to GitHub and make sure that your account now is logged in, of course, and is used here. And now the simple way to do this, as you can see on the left panel here, we have a GitHub connection page. So as you can see, my GitHub is actually already connected. I'm not really sure how can I disconnect it to show you guys the process, but it's actually pretty simple. The pop-outs window will appear. That will show you how do you wish to log in, and you do it the same way, just like in here. We'll sign out, for example, sign out from all accounts. And in here, all the same, you press on here, connect, then it takes you to this window on GitHub, you sign in, you, for example, go with Google, choose your account, nope, choose your account, you sign in, and then it prompts you, do you wish to connect to Lovable? You say yes, and that's pretty much it. And then all of the pretty much repositories that you have, you'll have them also on Lovable. So that's how you connect, guys. Enjoy the video and subscribe if you like our tutorials, and see you soon.